Hello people, welcome back to Eating the African Way. If this is your first time, I'm called Nicholas and this is Eating the African Way. So in this video we are here to say thank you so much family, those who have the giving heart. You know, you keep providing to people you don't even know. But thank you so much. So today I have come here to deliver some of the money you have sent. A lot of money, a lot of people promised to send money towards the education and also other stuff. This is what I have collected. I was here the first time and delivered a bunch of it. I don't want to say bunch seems to be so big, but a portion of it. And I did make the video because I was traveling to Western Uganda. So even today I'm going to Eastern Uganda today, this same day. But I had to pass by and deliver this. And then later, I do that travel. So welcome back to Eating the African Way. This is your second time. The first time we did a video with you. So please introduce yourself again to the people and tell them what you are and what the money is going to help you, and also what do you expect.
Hello everyone, my name's Immaculate. I know you are there watching this video, but I thank you for all you have sent to me and all what you gonna give me. I thank you for all who have picked their money and they have given it to me. I thank you all in the mighty name of the Lord Jesus Christ. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate what you have given me. I appreciate it. And this money I will use it to afford my basic needs, which I had, which I did not have. But thank you, thank you, thank you. And everyone who is there, who wants to help me, please help me, because I'm not in a good condition. I'm suffering a lot with my mom and sisters. Thank you, thank you. May the good Lord bless you.
Mama, what you are going to
Bebaziza nnyo mwena atodeke mutodde ne mutuwa mukama we mujje mukama abaddiseewo. Era mbasabira obwangazi, mbasabira famire zammwe okubeera ennamu n'omuvubuka ono gwe mwatusendingira naye nsaba mukama amuwe obuwangazi, kubanga twali tetukisuubira naye maanyi ga Katonda na buyinza bwa Katonda. Kale tubasabira obuwangazi mwenna, buli yatola kyatodde ne mutabanyi wange ono mmusabira obuwangazi, kubanga yatulaga okwagala n'ekisa. Si kyangu kyakusangika, naye mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala, era tusaba obuyambi bwammwe kubanga embeera yo si nnungi. Ku kkubo twavaako, nali nkolera ku kkubo ne tuvaako ne batugoba, kati njiya buyiiya ekyokulya, nonda bicupa, abaana bange tebakyasoma, batudde butuuzi era babagoba. Ne renti naye atutawaanya, ekyokulya oluusi tusula ne tutalya. Naye mbeebaziza nnyo olw'ekyo kye mwatukolera. Mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala, mukama abankuumire.
I'm sure you have heard her story and then her daughter's story. I know the faces have changed because the one in the last video, she's a sister to this one, so I didn't know. So that I had to make this clear. And thank you so much for always running towards these people I always feature on the channel. Thank you so much for being so giving. You have a giving heart. You know, what amazes me most is you keep providing. You keep providing. Sometimes I go speechless. But thank you so much for being part of Eating the African Way. I'm going to drop the video I did with these ladies in the description box if you want to watch that video. They shared a lot in that video. They shared a lot in that video. So you need to check it out and see what is happening to these people. So I want to make this short and then we do other stuff. So catch up in the next video. Bye bye.